Ladies and 99.7% gentlemen, this is Omarchy 4 Alpha. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to run through the About page with you in the top panel, and then I'm going to be quiet and let you soak in Omarchy 4. Here's the About page. I'm running this on a Dell Latitude 5300 laptop, Core i7 at 4.8 gigs with an integrated Intel graphics card, running at 1080p at 1.6x. The installed software is 23 gigs out of my 256. The memory is 1.5 gigs out of 8, and you can see it's Omarchy 4.0. The Edge build, Linux kernel 7.1.3, Hyprland 0.55.4, just foot 1.27.0, a little over 1,000 Pac-Man packages. We're on the Tokyo Night theme and the JetBrains Mono nerd font. I just got this installed last night, so OS age is 0 days, uptime is 9 minutes, and the last update I ran was this morning at 8:26. And Omarchy has some haters. The main complaint they have is it comes too bloated. So if we do a Super Alt spacebar and we come into remove, you can see this pre-installs. Press enter on that, say yes to that, and all the bloat is gone. So I don't know. I read a lot of comments on Reddit where they're saying they're having to spend hours after the install to get the system the way they want it. I don't know. Should take you 5 to 10 seconds to remove anything that you think is bloatware. With that being said, let's take a look at the top bar here. Hover over that, got our battery, and you can do your power saver, balance to performance. Tells you how much battery life you've got. And you got your display. You can increase and decrease the brightness and change the scale. I'm at 1.6 right now. You can go up to 2x, 3x, 4x. If you have a super resolution monitor, you got your sound, your internet, your Bluetooth, the weather, the day and the time. And then you notice when you get close to the middle, it's got additional options that pop up. You've got dictate, screen recording, stay awake, which is like a caffeine app, nightlight, set a reminder, silence notifications, looks like the screen brightness again, and then you've got your configure. When you click on that, you've got your configuration for the top bar. You can make it transparent, which looks really nice. You can change it from the top to the bottom, left, let me get back in there, and right. I'm gonna leave it at the top. And then you've got your workspaces, and of course, your Omarchy icon, which is just bringing up your menu here. So I'm gonna be quiet, and let's run through all of these from the menu. And that was Omarchy 4. What do you think? Was the move to Quickshell worth it? Let me know down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.